alone, let me not alone. I am not alone. I know that you want me to never wrong.
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous, flawless 360-degree lace frontal unit. This unit was already everything pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. So all you had to do was install it, and also by being a 360-degree frontal, you can do these flawless top knot buns, and you don't have to worry about your track showing or anything. It's super cute, super flawless, and I just love everything about this wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, make sure you keep on watching. So today's hair is from Ashimary hair. Thank you so much, Ashimary, for sponsoring this video. And these are just some of the goods that you're going to receive in your box. It was a lot of stuff, from headbands to bows to clips, edge wraps, brushes, wig caps, of course your directions, eyelashes, pins, bows, everything, lace tape, so much stuff. So this is just a little visual of what you should receive in your package as well. But now to the good part, the wig. As you guys can see, this is a water wave curly unit. I was so happy I got something other than deep curly or kinky curly hair. But this is a 26-inch, 250% density, 360 full lace frontal unit. Like I said in the intro, this was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. Thank you. We love a low maintenance wig. But also, this is the T with this unit. So in the back, it's also a frontal. So as you guys can see, if you pull these little two clear Invisi-straps, is what they call it, on the side, this gives you full capability to adjust the preferred tightness of your wig cap, so you don't have to worry about gluing the back down or anything. It's already pretty much ready to go. So now that we got that out of the way, this is my breakdown for my look. And of course, I'm rushing, going somewhere the exact same day that I'm making a video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my HD cap. I shouldn't have really worn this because you can kind of see it through the lace, but it's all good. I went ahead and added my bronzer to my cap and also my frontal, and this is how it was looking so far, nice and thin and ready to install. And of course, I went ahead and co-washed my unit just so the curls can be nice and popping and ready for our install. So I went ahead and plopped my unit on. I am so happy that this wig was already pre-cut because I hate cutting lace, especially a frontal. Like, that was a no-go, so I was so happy about that. As you guys can see, I'm already adjusting my Invisi-strap in the back so it can be nice and snug on my head. And now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and my freeze spray just so I can smooth out these roots just a little bit more. Y'all know I like my roots to be nice and flat, especially with straight hair, but also with my curly units. I like it to be nice and sleek looking. So I went ahead and did that on both sides, and then once I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace that was left from the frontal just so it can be nice and fitted to the size of my head. And after that, I'm going to add my spray. This is still going to be 100% glueless, but I did want this to be nice and seamless on my head because I did plan on trying out a bun and I didn't want it to be sliding off of my head, especially if I was going out. So I'm gonna do about 2 layers of this spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that lace is nice and blow dried on top of the spray, and then we're gonna go in and style my baby hairs.
That's just the way we are, but can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that.
So once I finished melting my lace, I removed my edge wrap, and now I'm just going to decrust the hair that was stuck to my frontal and forehead from the lace spray that I used. I feel like that's the only thing about lace spray is when it dries, it crusts the hair. So I went ahead with my comb and just fluff those out so I can have them nice and prepped to style and cut my baby hairs. And just a little insight on this unit, this hair and this curl pattern was so beautiful. Like I said in the beginning, I'm so happy that I did not get like deep curly or kinky curly hair. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, you can see that I've been using curly hair a lot, and I'm just kind of tired of the same thing. So I'm happy I got a looser texture and I was able to experiment and just do like a different style with this look, and it was so cute. The density was really, really heavy. If you really don't like thick or kind of heavy hair, probably look for a lower density. But I mean, it was cool for me. It was just really, really hot outside with this style. But other than that, I'm not complaining, just my preference. But this is kind of the finishing touches that I'm doing to my hair. I'm going with my freeze spray and carving out the baby hairs that we created in the past couple of seconds, and just adding that freeze spray to my roots again and just making those nice and framed away from my baby hairs. And that's basically all for this tutorial. This is the finished result. Super cute. The curls were so fluffy and gorgeous. The only thing is the frontal was kind of short, so I did go ahead and use my tiny crimper, and this was the result of that because I didn't have time to wet my hair and all of that jazz before I went out. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks when you put it in a banana clip, which was also very adorbs. And I had to make sure my nape area was all fixed up. Didn't have time to do that either, but this is also how it looks in the little bun. And that was another style I was thinking about doing with this look, but I just went ahead and wore it down. But that basically concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Baby, my